Which strategy dosage is the best? 5 grams, loading phase, or none? Hello folks, Scientific Health with IK here. Today we're going to talk about updated study concerning creatine ingestion. Let's get started. There is this updated meta-analysis that investigated the various creatine ingestion strategies and how they affected lean mass tissue and strength in older adults. Losing lean mass and strength are major concerns for adults. The best way to prevent that from happening is resistance training and supplementation. But is there a best practice when it comes to dosage strategies? The researchers took the dosing strategies from previous meta-analyses and classified them into either higher than 5 grams or less per day. They also studied if a loading phase was used, which means more than 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days per week, and if creatine was used only on training days. The findings were not really surprising. Creatine supplementation during resistance training program increased lean mass tissue and strength compared to the placebo and resistance training in older adults. The combination of creatine loading followed by a lower dosage, which means less than 5 grams per day, increased chest press strength. The combination of creatine loading followed by a higher dosage, more than 5 grams per day, increased leg press strength. Creatine supplementation taken only on training days increased lean mass tissue and strength compared to the placebo. Taking creatine and resistance training regularly is a great way to improve lean mass tissue and strength in older adults. Taking creatine only on training days is also a great way to increase lean mass tissue. A loading phase could be a great strategy to increase strength as well. There are different creatine supplementations on the market. The best, well-studied, and the most effective is monohydrate. So don't get cheated. Please take some time to read the whole study in the description box below. Whether you want to take 5 grams or follow a loading phase, please check with your physician and check out the other videos.